welcome back to a new video. Today is a special day because, as you may recall, I had some really big news to share with you guys, and today that I'm finally able to move in, I get to share with you guys that we bought a home. And you might be wondering who's we, and we is me and my fiance because I am newly engaged. I could not believe the amount of people that guessed correct in the comments. I gave no hints. All I said was that I had some news to share with you guys this month, and a lot of you guys guessed correct. You guys guessed that I was engaged, buying a home, but you're correct. We bought a home, and today is so exciting because today is the first official day that we get to stay in our home. It's been such a long time coming to this moment. I've been counting down the days, and it's so unbelievably crazy to finally be able to be filming this and telling you guys and sharing it with you guys. And in today's video, I'm gonna give you guys an unfurnished home tour because we have nothing here. We have no furniture. This is the first time I ever move out. I didn't even bring my bed from my room. All I brought was my desk, my clothes, and some craft stuff that I had in my room. So it's pretty exciting. I'm excited to give you guys a tour without furniture and then a tour with furniture. So without further ado, join me for the unfurnished home tour. So right off the bat, I am in my garage, my new garage. I'm so excited because at my dad's house I also parked in the garage, so I'm so happy to be parking in the garage once again. But this is our garage. It's just the garage, but yeah, just the garage, nothing too exciting. I'm just happy to be parking my car in the garage. But over here past this door is where all the fun and exciting stuff for me is. Here is our second living room because we have a main living room over here. I'm not sure if we're gonna make it a second living room or a dining room. I'm not really sure. As you see over here is the backyard. We'll get to that after. Here is my favorite part, a kitchen. I love a kitchen. I think I'm gonna spend most of my time in the kitchen, which I'm so excited for, but I'm not excited for these countertops. I do think I'm gonna do some remodeling on this kitchen because I'm not a fan of the dark colors. These cabinets, I think were newly painted, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep this color. I love bright things, so maybe a white. If I do change it, it'll be a white. So we'll see about that. But these countertops definitely have to go. I feel like they're too dark for me, but we're gonna save the remodeling for once we get settled into the house. But now coming over here, the house actually came with brand new appliances, it seems. I think the previous owners had barely bought these and just took very good care of them. We do have a microwave here. And here we have an electric stove, which I have never used an electric stove, so we're gonna see how that goes. I'm not sure if I'll be a fan of it or not, but we did get it for free, so I'm not complaining. I'm gonna try it out, see how I like it. We have an oven down here. Yeah, everything looks like totally new, brand new, good condition. They took care of their stuff. And then over here we have a fridge, which also looks like brand new. And you can tell that the previous owners really cared about their stuff because they even left a container of baking soda, which if you're not familiar with, baking soda removes like all the nasty smells inside the fridge. Everything looks really clean. It seems like they cleaned it before they left, but I'm still gonna go in and clean it as well. Our fridge has water, which is awesome. We have a dishwasher, which I don't know if I'm gonna use. I've also never used a dishwasher. This is our pantry, I assume. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep this as well. I feel like it's kind of awkward. And the dining table is gonna go here, or at least I plan to put it here. So I feel like having that there is just kind of in the way. So we might get rid of that. We'll see. We have this floor in the kitchen, which I'm also not a fan of. It's kind of weird because the living room has that flooring, and then it's just like the kitchen has this flooring. And then the living room over here also has wood floor. I don't know. We'll probably change that too. I'm not a big fan of that. Yeah, this is the kitchen. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to start cooking in the kitchen. And I'm also very happy that they gave us these appliances with the house. That way we don't have to be figuring out what kitchen appliances we need because I know nothing about fridges, nothing about a stove, dishwasher, none of that. So that just makes my life easier that it's already here. But now turning to my right is the main living room. I'm sorry, it's a mess. We just have a bunch of mail that has been coming in, and that Blackstone over here was actually a gift from our realtor, so shout out to Miguel. But yeah, that's our living room. And then turning over here is the hallway to our bedrooms. This is a 3-bedroom home. So 2 bedrooms to the left, 1 bedroom to the right, a bathroom to the right. Let's open this door. This is a closet, a pretty big closet. I'm not sure what we'll store in here, but that's a closet. Then the next door to our right is the bathroom. We have this yellow tile, which is really cute. Bathtub in here, toilet. I'm really liking these light fixtures that they put on here, as well as this mirror. I really like this mirror and the shape of it. Right across the bathroom is the first room, which is going to be our guest room. We already have our guest bed. We haven't built it. We're going to build this guest bed later today, but I did make this room the guest room just because this room is the room with the least amount of natural light coming in, since I personally love a lot of natural light. Over here is the closet for the guest room. Pretty big. And then over here is the boiler room, I think it's called. The boiler was here and they moved it to the garage now, so I'm pretty sure this will end up being more storage space. And then coming out of the guest room to the right, you'll see that this is another room, which you can totally tell the difference of light coming in. Like, this room is so dark compared to this one. And I love the natural light that's coming in here. I love it so much. This is actually going to be an office room, my craft room, editing room. This room also has a closet, which is also pretty big. This is a big closet. And then just another overview. Then stepping out of that room, right across is the master bedroom, which this room also has a lot of light and I love so much. You'll see the backyard in the window back there. And this room does have a bathroom. So this is that bathroom. We have our toilet, our sink, our mirror with storage. And then right here we have our shower. Love that. Cute. And we have a closet over here, which this is a really big closet compared to the other rooms, obviously. But this is a big closet because I'm able to come in here and even walk around. So that's a big closet for me. And I need a big closet. But I am gonna try to get rid of a lot of stuff. When I was packing to move over here, I realized I have so much stuff, especially when it comes to my crafting stuff. I have so much that is for my crafts, and a lot of it doesn't get used. So I'm definitely gonna have to get rid of a lot of stuff, including clothes, because I realized I just put the same clothes on. I definitely do have a lot of clothes that I don't wear, and I'm always wearing the same thing over and over again. So we're definitely gonna have to get rid of some stuff. But yeah, that's the closet and I'm happy with that size. I think it's perfect. I don't need nothing more. Bathroom, closet. We step out. Office room, guest room over here, bathroom, our living room, kitchen, second living room, garage. And then over here we have our backyard, which I'm so excited to show you guys. This is our little patio. So cute. I plan to put little patio sofa and little coffee table or something like that. We have some grass here. And we have some fruit trees. Look at this. Look how pretty. These are humongous. We have orange trees. And they're so beautiful. I haven't tried them yet, but definitely gonna make some fresh squeezed orange juice with this. We'll see how that goes. I think these are different orange tree. I'm not sure what this is. Is this a fruit tree? Oh, it's a lemon tree. Look at that. Wow, these are good lemons. Look at that. That's some good stuff right there. Yeah, that's nice. I'm happy about that. And over here, this is very exciting as well. This is our little garden, but it died. When we came to look at the house, I think it was 3 months ago, everything was fresh, nothing was dead in this garden. But obviously it went unwatered, so a lot of what was here died. And they had a bunch of berries, tomatoes, and it seems like the tomatoes are gone. Some chilies. These are little tomatoes, tomato vines. Down here we have squash. Let's see if there's a squash down there. I don't see any squash. Yeah, I don't see any squash down there. And this is where the berries were at. I don't know what kind of berries they were, but they were good. I tried them. So yeah, that concludes the unfurnished home tour. Let me know what you guys think about the house. 3 bedrooms, 2 living rooms, a beautiful backyard. I'm not sure if we're gonna do any changes to the backyard. If we're gonna keep those vegetables and tomatoes, try to revive the tomatoes. If you guys have any ideas, leave it in the comments down below. But yeah, you guys, I think this home is so beautiful. I'm so excited for this new chapter, and I can't wait to bring you guys along with me on this new journey. But one step at a time, and we're first gonna start by cleaning the house. There's a lot of cleaning I want to do before all the furniture comes. It looks clean, but I still do want to broom the floors, dust the walls, mop, clean the bathrooms, clean the kitchen and all the cabinets, the fridge, just clean everything. So I'm gonna go to Lowe's right now. I do already have a lot of cleaning supplies, but I am just missing some of the main stuff, like a bucket for the mop, which you're gonna say I could use any bucket, but I want a specific bucket that my mom actually uses, and I think it's so convenient. It's a commercial bucket, but I do have a lot of it already. Cleaning sprays, Windex, Clorox. I have my dish soap, some Lysol wipes. I have a lot of stuff. I have my mop that I actually got at the swap meet. Let's go ahead and go to Lowe's. I found what I came for. This is what I came for. This is that commercial mop bucket where you're able to squeeze the mop juice